In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using this new website. This website is completely new. Not many people are talking about it. If you are beginners and you want to make money online, use this website and easily you can make money every single day. All you have to do is watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you what this website and what kind of work that you can do and the tools that are going to speed up your work, and you can make easy free money every single day, guys. Before that, guys, if you're interested in watching video like make money online, money saving tutorials, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new video, and also press the like button so people like you or other people can watch this video and make money online. Before I show you the website, this is the statistic of that website. That you can see this website traffic is continuously going up, and they are getting around 383,000 monthly views every single month, and it's going up. And if you see that the majority of the traffic is coming from two countries, in India and United States. And don't worry, India is the people are working here, and United States the people are providing work. So you can make money because of the targeted traffic or the high paying traffic is coming from United States. So I'm going to show you what this website is. This website is called topkwork.com. There's a link in the description, topkwork.com, that you can see kwork.com. There's a here, but actual domain is topkwork.com. This website is similar to Fiverr. It's a freelancing website, but is low competitive. So if you go to Fiverr and list a gig, it's harder to get the gig, and you need to promote by yourself in the beginning, and then only you can make money from organic traffic. But this website is completely new, and there's a less traffic, and lots of people are making lots of money from this website, guys. For example, that you can see, if I want to write in a blog post, I search online and like a blog post or blog post writing, that you can see these are the people are writing blog post and getting paid $10, $30, $10, and you can see here $10. All of the people have a review over 27 reviews, 75 review. You can see these are the people are listed gig and they are making money from it. So if I open a one gig here, then you can see this person charging $20 for writing 400 word article. That you can see 400 word, this person charging $20. Plus if you want to add another 400 word, it's $20. But look at here, he complete around 124 orders. That imagine that he only charge $20. So if you go to calculator and type 124 times $20, say for example this person making around $18 because of this website also take its own charge times, because no, it's not 20 times by $18, and that you can see this person already made $2,232, guys. Easy money with spending a little bit of your time writing a 400 word articles. Now one more example here, that you can see this person this gig about YouTube script, and you can see lots of people are doing this gig and they are charging various amount. You can see $10, $20, $140, $50, and you can see, I'm going to show you one more example. Look closely here. This person is charging around $10, 5-star review and 489 review. And if you open that gig, look at here, this person is charging a 10 minutes script for $10. If you want to make 30 minutes, it's additional 20. If you want to make it 140 to 1 hour video script, that's additional 50 on top of that 20. But look closely here, completed orders 837 order, guys. So imagine that this person making $10 per sales, this person already made, let's open the calculator. I know the maths. Say for example here, 837 times, again we go with $8 because $10 is the original price, but this website also take a charge, so times by 8 here. That's, you can see $6,696. Actually I don't know how much this website is charging that fee. I know the seller at the moment. I'm going to try it out in the future, let you know. But here that you can see this person roughly made $7,000, guys. Easy money from this website, guys. And again, you can see there's a lots of other survey you can do. This is the front page of the website. If you click the design, then you can see logo design, brand identity, lots of things you can do, infographic. And if you click the IT and development, then you can see website layout. If you create a website, you can pay higher amount from it. And writing and translation, there's a next video is coming in very soon. I'm going to introduce a new website where we'll transcribe your videos into text in a couple of minutes. So you can use that gig. Watch out for that. For that, what you have to do, subscribe to my channel, like the button, so I can make this kind of video every single day, guys. Now you can see SEO, digital marketing, audio and video editing, and you can see here a business lifestyle, name and slogan generator, or lots of other things. It's very much similar to Fiverr, but it's low competitive, guys. Again, guys, if we have a little bit money, if we invest into tool like Jarvis AI, which I made lots of video in the past, this is my final video. I'm not going to make any more video on Jarvis AI. There's 5 videos. I think I put the card in the description, link in the description, also in the card. Check it out, these videos. There's you can use Jarvis AI to make money from lots of different ways. But here you can see here, if you open this dashboard, you can use to write a blog post articles. If you count on the bottom, and you can use to generate a YouTube video script, guys. So within couple of minutes, this AI gonna write in a blog post and video script. Just copy that and paste it into this gig. You get paid every single day without doing any work, guys. This is the best way to make money online if you are beginners and you don't have enough money to begin any business, guys. Again, Jarvis AI is not free. I know that. You can get 5-day free trial. Try it out. Again, if you don't have to buy that Jarvis AI in the beginning, just list the gig on this website. When the gig is come to you, go to Jarvis AI, get the 5-day free trial. There's a link in the description. Go and check it out, and you can do the gig. And then you can, if you made enough money, pay the Jarvis AI and get the monthly subscription, guys. Simple, because when you come to make money online, it's about hustling and creative thinking, guys. Otherwise you can't make any money from it. Again, guys, this is the website I want to introduce to you. And again, this website is an easy website to make money online. Let me know in the comment section if any of you want to try on this website. I'm going to list in a gig, 2 gigs actually, YouTube script and a blog post, because I have the Jarvis AI. I'm going to let you know in the future how much money I made from this website. I hope, guys, you understand these videos. Show your support by subscribing to my channel, clicking the like button on the bottom of the videos. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, let me know in the comment section what kind of video that you want to watch in the future. Also, if you want to try this website, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.